Family vacations are magical, but let's be real, they can also be expensive. What if I told you there are amazing destinations where you can explore, relax, and create unforgettable family memories without breaking the bank? From tropical beaches to ancient wonders, here are the top 10 cheapest countries to visit with your family in 2025. Let's dive in. Vietnam, a budget-friendly paradise. Vietnam is one of the best places to visit with your family without spending too much money. This beautiful country has everything: stunning beaches, green mountains, and colorful cities full of history. You can explore Ha Long Bay, where huge limestone rocks rise from the water, or take a boat ride through the floating markets in the Mekong Delta. Food in Vietnam is super cheap and tasty. You can enjoy a delicious bowl of pho noodle soup for just $2. Hotels and guest houses are also very affordable, with many budget-friendly options under $20 per night. Public transport like buses and trains is cheap and makes traveling easy. For family fun, visit Ho Chi Minh City's museums or take a walk through the old streets of Hanoi. Vietnam is not just beautiful. Indonesia, a budget-friendly tropical paradise. Indonesia is a perfect place for a family trip if you want beautiful beaches, green forests, and exciting adventures without spending too much. The country has over 17,000 islands, but Bali is the most famous. In Bali, you can relax on soft sandy beaches, visit stunning waterfalls, or explore rice fields that look like a green carpet. Food in Indonesia is very cheap and delicious. You can enjoy dishes like nasi goreng, fried rice, or satay, grilled meat skewers, for just $2. Hotels and guest houses are also budget-friendly, with many good options under $15 per night. Public transport, like scooters and buses, makes it easy to explore different areas. Turkey, a budget-friendly family adventure. Turkey is a great country for a family vacation that won't cost too much. It has a mix of history, culture, and beautiful landscapes. You can explore the busy streets of Istanbul, where the famous Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque stand tall. The Grand Bazaar is a great place to see colorful shops and try local snacks. One of the most amazing places in Turkey is Cappadocia, where you can see hot air balloons floating over unique rock formations. Kids will love the fairy tale scenery, and the whole family can explore ancient caves and underground cities. Another must-visit place is Pamukkale, known as the Cotton Castle, because of its white natural pools filled with warm water. Turkey is also very budget-friendly. A meal in a local restaurant costs around $3 to $5, and you can find good hotels for $20 to $30 per night. Public transport, like scooters and buses, is cheap and easy to use. For beach lovers, Antalya and Bodrum offer beautiful seaside resorts with clear blue water. Whether you love history, nature, or food, Turkey has something for everyone. With its friendly people and affordable prices, it's a great choice for a family trip in 2025. Which of these destinations is on your family's travel wish list? Comment below. Sri Lanka, a budget-friendly island escape. Sri Lanka is a perfect place for a fun and affordable family trip. This small island country has beautiful beaches, green tea plantations, and amazing wildlife. You can visit golden sandy beaches in Bentota, take a scenic train ride through the hills, or explore ancient temples in Kandy. Food in Sri Lanka is cheap and full of flavor. A delicious meal like rice and curry costs around $2 to $3. Hotels and guest houses are also budget-friendly, with many good options under $20 per night. Traveling around is easy with affordable trains and buses. For family fun, you can go on a wildlife safari at Yala National Park to see elephants and leopards, or visit the Pinawala Elephant Orphanage. If you love nature, hiking to Sigiriya Rock will give you an amazing view. With friendly people, warm weather, and low costs, Sri Lanka is a great family destination. Portugal, a budget-friendly European getaway. Portugal is one of the cheapest and most beautiful countries to visit in Europe with your family. It has sunny beaches, historic castles, and colorful streets that make every trip exciting. The capital, Lisbon, is full of old trams, pretty buildings, and delicious food. You can ride the famous yellow tram through the city or explore the magical town of Sintra, known for its fairy tale castles. Food in Portugal is affordable and tasty. You can enjoy fresh seafood, pastries, and traditional dishes for around $5 to $7 per meal. Budget hotels and guest houses start at $25 per night, making it a great choice for families. Public transport is also cheap, with buses and trains costing only a few dollars. Thailand, a budget-friendly family adventure. Thailand is a fantastic place for a family vacation without spending too much. It has beautiful beaches, exciting cities, and delicious food. The capital, Bangkok, is full of grand temples, floating markets, and busy streets. You can take a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River or visit the Golden Grand Palace. Picture your kids laughing as they build sandcastles in Phuket, then joining you for a fun tuk-tuk ride to grab some delicious pad thai for just $2. Thailand is very affordable. A tasty meal of pad thai or fried rice costs just $2 to $3, and street food is everywhere. You can find comfortable hotels for $15 to $25 per night, and local transport, like tuk-tuks and buses, is very cheap. For a relaxing beach trip, head to Phuket or Krabi, where you can swim in clear blue water and explore beautiful islands. Families will also love Chiang Mai, where you can visit elephant sanctuaries and experience Thai culture. Mexico, a colorful and affordable vacation. Mexico is a great country for a budget-friendly family vacation. It has stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and delicious food. Cities like Cancun and Playa del Carmen are famous for their soft, sandy beaches and blue waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Families can also explore Chichen Itza, one of the most famous ancient Mayan sites. Food in Mexico is cheap and delicious. You can enjoy tacos, burritos, and fresh fruit juices for just $2 to $4 per meal. Hotels and guest houses offer budget-friendly stays, with many options under $20 per night. Transport is also affordable, with buses and taxis making it easy to travel between cities. With its rich culture, beautiful landscapes, and affordable prices, Mexico is a fantastic place for a fun and budget-friendly family trip. Egypt, a budget-friendly family adventure. Egypt is a great place for a family vacation filled with history, adventure, and beautiful scenery. It is home to some of the world's oldest wonders, like the pyramids of Giza and the Great Sphinx. Walking through these ancient sites feels like stepping back in time. Families can also take a Nile River cruise, visiting famous temples along the way. Traveling in Egypt is very affordable. A meal in a local restaurant costs around $2 to $4, and you can find budget-friendly hotels for $15 to $25 per night. Public transport, like trains and buses, is cheap and easy to use. For fun family activities, visit the Valley of the Kings, where ancient Egyptian rulers were buried, or explore the Khan El Khalili Bazaar in Cairo for handmade souvenirs. Before we reveal the #1 cheapest country, let's check out this hidden gem that families love but few people talk about. Philippines, a tropical family, getaway on a budget. The Philippines is a perfect place for a fun and affordable family vacation. With over 7,000 islands, it offers white sandy beaches, clear blue waters, and amazing nature. Families can explore the beautiful chocolate hills in Bohol or take a boat ride to see the stunning El Nido Islands. Food in the Philippines is cheap and delicious. You can enjoy fresh seafood, rice meals, and tropical fruits for $2 to $4 per meal. Budget-friendly hotels start at $15 to $20 per night, making it easy to travel without spending too much. Public transport like jeepneys and tricycles is very affordable. For family fun, visit Cebu for snorkeling with whale sharks, explore Boracay's white sandy beaches, or go on a river cruise in Puerto Princesa. Bolivia, a hidden gem for budget-friendly family travel. Bolivia is a great place for a family trip if you want beautiful landscapes, unique culture, and low costs. This South American country is famous for its Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, where the ground looks like a giant mirror after it rains. Families can also explore La Paz, a city high in the mountains with colorful markets and cable cars that give amazing views. Traveling in Bolivia is very affordable. A local meal costs around $2 to $4, and budget hotels start at $15 per night. Public transport, like buses and minibuses, is cheap and helps you get around easily. The Valley of the Moon offers strange rock formations that look like a different planet. With friendly people, breathtaking views, and low travel costs, Bolivia is a perfect destination for an unforgettable family adventure. Traveling with your family doesn't have to be expensive. These amazing, budget-friendly countries offer stunning landscapes, rich cultures, and fun activities without costing too much. Whether you love beaches, history, or adventure, there's a perfect destination waiting for you. These 10 incredible destinations prove that family travel doesn't have to be expensive. Now, we want to hear from you. Which country is on your family's bucket list? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more family-friendly travel tips.